Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I start this video, make sure to stay till the end because there is a giveaway happening. I am giving away the JBL CHARGE 5, not the BOSE, so you won't be getting my fishing speaker. But stay around till the end to be able to win one of these for yourself. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I got a haircut and I don't know what to do with it. This probably has to be one of the most requested videos so far. Compare the BOSE, which I already reviewed in my last video, so if you haven't seen that, go ahead and take a look. I unboxed and reviewed a Soundlink FLEX. In this video, a lot of people wanted me to compare the JBL CHARGE 5 with the BOSE Soundlink FLEX. I'm gonna unbox the JBL CHARGE 5 and then we're gonna compare both of these to see which one is the better buy for your money. First of all, the box is way nicer. If you saw the unboxing for the Soundlink, it was very minimal. There's like sediments in the water from when I had it in the water. Is that like a worm? No, I'm joking. It's a joke. Here we go. So that's done. Oh, so it just opens up like this. Wow, the unboxing experience here is very nice. Play and charge endlessly. Anyways, let's go ahead and take this out. Oh, we got like little drawer. Oh, we got like a little case, fam. This is heavy. This is nice though. Look at this case. So it comes out. Wow, this is a powerhouse. Now, I will say this was $180, about $200 with tax. This was $150, so we are looking at a $30 difference here. But this is a powerhouse. It is definitely bulkier than this. How much thicker this one is. We'll see if it makes any difference in the sound quality, but put that off to the side. So we got this nice little box in here, and I think that's it. So let's see what they gave us in here. So it comes out nice and simple. We got the quick start guide and we have the charging cable. So this is a USB-C, just like the one you get with the BOSE. So the accessories are basically the same. This is the main contender here, so let's focus on the speaker now. Let me get my phone. 20 hours of playtime, IPX67. Should have no problem being inside the water. Let's go ahead and turn this on. So big buttons here, and oh wow, these are so easy to press. Okay, we are now linked with the phone. Let's go ahead and play some music, get that initial test out of the way.
I don't care if I never get over you. I don't care if I never get over you. Yo, you might have seen me in the park around a bunch of monsters, sitting on the bench maxing you on my conscience, stepping.
Alright, so as far as the build quality is concerned, I just want to start with that while this goes. I will say the BOSE is a lot harder. It's the plastic on this has plastic as well, but it's softer plastic. This is harder plastic. I put this into rocks and things like that, and it kind of scratched a little bit, but all in all, it's still in very, very good condition. This, however, I clicked it again. So this is one big difference. The buttons are much easier to click on the JBL than they are on the BOSE. These BOSE are very hard to click, so it's very hard to accidentally click them, but here they're very easy to click. So I like buttons that are easier to click because I'm not moving around with this, and that's also why there's nothing to actually link. So unlike the BOSE, which has this little ring where you can connect something to it when you go fishing, this doesn't have anything like that. So obviously when they were making this, you can take anywhere, but it's supposed to be put down in one place and listened to. So they are a little bit different in terms of who they're marketing to. This is for someone who's active and using this while they're being active. So maybe you're on a run, on a bike, jet skiing, whatever it might be. But this, you can't really do all that with. And it makes sense because this is actually heavier than the BOSE speaker. It's a lot thicker than the BOSE speakers. It's probably like 2 of the BOSE speakers would equal 1 of this. So it is a much beefier and bulkier speaker, but I guess they're intended for 2 different kinds of audiences. Now, one other interesting thing here, also this is a power bank. So this doubles as a power bank basically for you to charge your phone. It is more expensive though. It's $30 extra. So I mean, for $30 you could probably just buy an additional power bank. And so at the end of the day, it's between a bigger speaker and a bigger unit or a smaller speaker, a more slim unit, but we'll see if the speakers actually have a different sound or if one's better than the other. BOSE is now on. It is now connected.
That can make me comfortable. I miss you, and I know you miss me too. Baby, I love you, girl. That's why I can't get over you, and it's okay.
I will say that the noise on the BOSE is clearer than the noise on the JBL, but the JBL definitely has much more bass, noticeably more bass than the BOSE. So if you're heavy on the bass, skip out on the BOSE and go for the JBL. But if bass isn't too big of a deal, you want more portability, you want to move things around, the BOSE is definitely your better bet. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the water now. No, I'm not gonna do that. This one I am giving away, so I'm not gonna do that to you guys.
Tell me, I miss my baby. It's driving me so crazy. Thinking about you lately. Let us come back to
Yeah, definitely a lot more bass. And you have these speakers on the side that are moving as well. Obviously that's like the subwoofer unit, so you really feel it come out from the side as well. It's like that air, I guess. I don't know. I think with just that I can give a verdict. As far as sound quality, the JBL is much better. The JBL sound quality is a lot more whole. The bass is noticeably better. And it's just much more surround sound than the BOSE, but it makes sense. The JBL is basically one 360-degree speaker with two basically subwoofers on the sides. The BOSE is really just one end. There's a bit of a subwoofer, I guess, on the back as well, but it really is just a front end speaker that's going to be shooting outwards. So the sound quality, if you're focusing on that, is much better on the JBL than the BOSE. I gotta hand it to JBL and Harman. They did a great job. Portability, the BOSE takes the win for portability. Hands down, it's like half, like I showed you, it's half the size of the JBL. It's lighter than the JBL as well. It's much lighter. It has already this like ring thing that you can plug into anything or hook onto your bike with, like, you know, one of those hooks or something and take it anywhere. Obviously both of them have the IP67 rating, but as far as portability, BOSE wins hands down. As far as materials are concerned, both have amazing materials and build quality. They're both very solid devices. I wouldn't be concerned about dropping these or dropping them in the water or anywhere like that, because I know they're both gonna be perfectly fine. So as far as the build quality is concerned, they're both equal for me. So it really comes down to what you're going to be doing. If you're someone who, first of all, puts sound quality ahead of everything, that probably means that you're not really working out, but you're going to events or, you know, things like that, and you really like to sit and relax and enjoy your sound, the JBL is definitely the one for you. However, if you're someone that can kind of compromise on the sound quality but focus a lot more on portability, something that you can take anywhere easily, you know, form factor, easy to take around, and still have good sound, not the best, but still have good sound, then the BOSE is definitely going to be the clear winner for you. Well, with that being said, guys, to join the giveaway, because I am giving this JBL away that I did not fish with, all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel, go to my Instagram, follow my Instagram account, and like the last post on Instagram. Also, comment down below. 90% of the time, where would I find this if you were to win? Would this be placed in your backpack? Would this be in your shelf or your closet or your living room? Let me know where it's going to be, and it has no effect on the contest. The giveaway winner will be announced November 6th on my Instagram through an Instagram story, so make sure you're following and you're watching on that as well, and make sure you followed the Instagram account and are subscribed to my channel here. With that being said, if you have any other questions about these devices, feel free to comment down below and I'll be able to help you out. I hope I was able to make the decision between these two a little bit easier, but I'm sure that there's so much that I missed. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.